Now, the mistake people make in leadership is that you try to convince these ones who despise you. They have chosen. Don't waste your time on them. Those who matter are those who work. Do you know how difficult it is? Because of the fallen human nature, people want to reach out to the other ones who, so let's say you say, God is calling me to do this and this and this. Then there are 3 or 4 or 5 people who say, yeah, I think that's actually God. We are going to help you do this. Me, I can do this. Me, I can. But then there are like another 10 who will say, sure, you. Now, don't mind about the others. Mind about these ones. Now, that's real leadership, because the other ones are out of your scope. God has not called you to them. They are not, because you see, you just check yourself. Now, you can, for instance, you can go and post something on social media. And then then let's say you get 20 comments. And of the 20 comments, 17 people are saying, yeah, that's a good post. Then 3 people despise you. You remember the 3. Am I wrong? Because you're not a leader. If you are, the 3 don't matter. They will not, like, if somebody does not buy your thing, forget about them. If you have to convince somebody and convince them, they are not going to be convinced. That's the reality of life. If somehow you have to convince somebody and can't you see this? Don't waste your time. They will not be convinced. That's how it is. And by that's the law of life. There are people who have chosen, they have decided, they are not going to be convinced. And if you try to convince them, they will make it a full-time job and a permanent job to try and convince them. So they take on this attitude of convince me. And then you also go there and start doing what? Try to convince. And you're wasting your time. Even in other things. For instance, if you're a single man looking for a girlfriend, there's a certain level of convincing you should accept. If somebody is taking too much, tell her, okay, you're not called for me. I will find somebody who is called for me. Because how can you bench somebody for 2 years? Like, are you a fool? Don't you have your corner? Like, you see, but you see there, now that person, even if eventually you succeed in getting them, they will never be convinced. Even when you're married, they'll still have this attitude. Convince me. But there is somewhere somebody who doesn't need a lot of